How to enable sensitive content on Instagram post. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. Here, you can see all the activities from the accounts that you follow. Now, go over to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to the top right corner and tap on the menu over here. In the settings page, scroll down and go to Content Preferences. Once you're in this page, select the option Sensitive Content from the menu. You will see options to control the amount of sensitive content you see. Tap the circle next to Less to see less content that you may find upsetting. Then press Confirm to proceed with your command. You can also tap on the circle next to More to see more content that are sensitive. So, by following these steps, you can enable sensitive content on Instagram post.